Hey everyone, it's Joseph Zabrowski. In just a moment, I'm gonna show you everything where Bitcoin presently is at, the price. I'm gonna show you where the minor support levels are and where the major support levels are. That if they're broken, they will. The chances are that Bitcoin will continue to go down. But before I do that, I just want to point some things out to you. Okay, as you know, Bitcoin has gone down. It's like in the 32 area right now. All right. Uh, do not be afraid, my friends. Okay, do not be afraid. Okay. If you're not aware of it, there are people like this was all pretty much triggered by this guy, Jamie Dimon, who is the CEO of um, Chase Bank, JP Morgan Chase. Okay, now these you have to understand if you don't have any knowledge on this, I'm gonna share some with you right now. Okay, these people are what's called establishment people. Okay, these are the people who control the world. The bankers, in many ways, control the world. Okay, the banking institutions, the people such as the Rockefellers, the Morgans, the Rothschilds. These are the international bankers. Jamie Dimon is deeply ingrained in the establishment financial system. And this establishment financial system is like a monopoly. They are monopolists, okay? That means they control everything and they love it because they make billions upon trillions of dollars controlling things, okay? So a guy like Jamie Dimon comes out and 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 he, as I said, he's part of the establishment, and the establishment is connected to all of the media channels. Not only do they control the financial markets, but they control the media, the television, social media, Facebook, YouTube. They control all of it, okay? This is what they do, and they love having control, okay? And so when a guy like Jamie Dimon comes out, he knows what he's doing. He's gonna talk badly about Bitcoin 24/7 because Bitcoin is the people's bank. Okay, and Bitcoin is the establishment's greatest competition. You see, this establishment believe in the two-class system. They believe in rich and poor. They want you, the middle class, to be poor. That is their desire. That's been their desires from the get-go. You know, before America was formed, most of the countries in the world were monarchies. Okay, they were kingdoms, and that's what America came out of. America left the kingdom, the monarchical system, and they were like the great rebel of the world. And they became this nation that was so great because they had the guts to leave the system and to fight for their freedom, and they were truly liberated. Okay? Well, this monarchical system, when America left England, England has always wanted America back. They want to control them. Okay? This is just part of history. Right? Well, these establishment types that have their roots to the monarchical system way back when, they still want to control the world, and they do control the world in many ways. They control the financial markets, they control the media, they control so many aspects of our lives. Okay, but here's what's going on presently, my friends. They are starting to lose control, and it's not just in the financial markets. Bitcoin being one of the main reasons that they are losing control, but they are losing control politically, okay, in many ways, and they know that they're losing control. So they are like a cornered, rat or a cornered animal that's just fighting. They're trying to do anything that they can. So Jamie Dimon comes out, he and people of his ilk come out speaking badly about Bitcoin because it's their biggest competition. You know, if Bitcoin continues to rise, they're going to lose so much money. Presently and in the past, they've earned billions upon trillions of dollars by monopolizing the financial system. So he knows that if he goes out and makes a bad statement about Bitcoin, and he's connected to all the media channels, that'll flow far and wide, and then people are gonna get out of Bitcoin. And so then there's this segment of people in Bitcoin who are unfortunately they're very cowardice. They don't stand up for what they believe in, and they go running like a bunch of scared rats. But there's a good portion of people in Bitcoin who are standing up. So what I'm saying to you, my friends, is don't worry. Okay, these people are losing control, and you've got to stand up. And furthermore, I had forgotten this about these people. I was talking to my friend today, Jordan, actually emailing him, and he reminded me, that these people, oftentimes what they will do, for example, is they'll say a bad word about something like Bitcoin, and then what they'll do is they'll put it out through the media channels, and then everybody will get out of Bitcoin, or everybody will get out of a particular market, and then they'll go in there like a bunch of sharks, and they'll just they'll just go and get all of the Bitcoin they can hoard to themselves, and they'll just like take this huge piece of real estate in the Bitcoin market, and then things will start to normalize again. The prices will go up, and they'll make a killing. Okay, these people, they don't care about you, my friends. They hate you, and that is a fact. Okay, they think that you are lower life than they are. And so we as the people have to stand up against this tyrannical system, basically, is what it is, my friends. Okay? They want you to have nothing. They want you to be poor, and they want to control the world as they always have. But they are losing control. All right? And so that's one of the things that they do. One of the forerunners or pioneers of this strategy that I just told you about is Goldman Sachs. They are the epitome of establishment banking. Okay, and they've done this on so many times. This is one of their major strategies. They speak badly about a particular commodity, and then everybody gets out of that commodity, and they go into the market and just hoard it to themselves. And then through the passage of time, that particular commodity will normalize, and they'll make a killing. And that's probably what they're doing with Bitcoin right now. So don't fall for their tricks, my friends. I'm here to tell you, I have researched this stuff for years. Okay, I've made movies about this kind of stuff. I've actually made a movie that was on television that talks about some of this stuff, okay? So I know what I'm talking about, and I'm not bragging about it. I've just spent a lot of time researching it, all right? And so do not be afraid. Stand up and be strong, and our markets will come back, all right? Either way, if you're in USI Tech, you're still making money, okay? You're still making money daily, and that is a fact. Now I'm going to show you the markets right now, all right? Bitcoin is at 33.22. I had told you in a previous video that the next minor support price was 32.63. It broke that, okay? It broke it down here. It's gone down past here, okay? So now that tells us that it's going to continue to go down, all right? Now, this was a major support point. It broke this. So it just broke some minor support, and I'm going to go to a different chart here. This is the last 3 months of Bitcoin. So it broke this price point. This was the major support level that it broke. And now the next support level, minor support level, is about 2683 right here. Okay. If it breaks that, it will continue to go down, and it will come. There's another minor support level at about 25 or so. And then the major support level is 1915, as I had told you. If it ever breaks 1915, it's going to, chances are it'll continue to go down. If you're trading in the exchanges, you'll probably want to be smart and put a trade at about 2000 or 1980. Another good place to put it would be at the about 27, right before the 2683. Okay. And so those would be two good places to place trades in the cryptocurrency markets. Now, keep in mind, if you're in USI Tech, like I saw the price go down, I got paid today in USI Tech. I put all my money toward Bitcoin because I got it at a great price. I got it at about $3,300. So I bought about 16 packs, okay? So when you buy USI Tech Bitcoin packs, you're buying Bitcoin, okay? So that's a way to leverage this right now. Get the Bitcoin now when it's low, because as we are in a bull market long term, and when it goes back up, you're going to make a hoard of money, okay? So what these evil people are doing can work to your advantage if you're smart. Now, if you're going to be cowardice and not smart about it, it'll work to your disadvantage, okay? So do not be afraid. We are going to hit our mark. We are hitting it. There's nothing to fear, okay? The markets do have to correct. They always correct. All markets correct. Commodities, options, Forex, cryptocurrency. They all correct, and this market is correcting. And it will get back to where it has to go. Remember, at the beginning of the year, we started out at $1,000 to January 2017. We are presently 3 times that amount, okay? We have gone up so high. We've gone up 500%. The market is correcting. It will get back. It will go back up leaps and bounds further than its highest point already this year. So that is it, my friends. If you have any questions, let me know. To get started in USI, I'll put a link below this video. There probably will be one on this video, something that you can click on this video here on the left, and you can just click on that place where it says click here or whatever to earn passive income, and it'll take you to that link that's below the video as well. So that's it. I hope to meet you. Take care and God bless.